One of the big DBT skills we'll use in distress tolerance is the stop skill. Another one is the tip skills. These ones focus on quickly reducing emotional intensity by calming the physical body down. TIP is an acronym. So the T stands for a temperature change. So if you run to the bathroom, splash your face with some cold water. That can really calm your physical body down. You can use some intense exercise. That's what the I stands for. Some paced breathing or some progressive muscle relaxation. Overall, the purpose of these skills is not to suppress emotions, right? We're not pushing these really difficult situations aside. We're not ignoring them. We're not pretending that they're not happening. We're really trying to make sure that you are able to be resilient in that given moment, to make it through that given moment without intensifying the problem.